Have you ever thought about starting a school garden? Imagine a space where students get hands-on learning experiences and develop a deeper understanding of the environment. Picture a place where children explore the wonders of growth, understanding the journey from seed to table, fostering a new appreciation for health and nutrition. Consider the joy of seeing young minds bloom right alongside the plants they've nurtured. This is the potential of a school garden. Imagine a green oasis right in your schoolyard where learning and nature intersect. The process of starting a school garden is simpler than you might think. Let's break it down into 5 key steps. First, gather a team of green-thumbed enthusiasts to form a garden committee. This group will be responsible for making decisions and overseeing the project's progress. Next, you'll need to choose a suitable location for your garden. Consider factors like sunlight exposure, soil quality, and accessibility. Once you have your spot, it's time to plan the garden layout. Think about pathways for easy access, raised beds for efficient planting, and perhaps even a shaded area for outdoor lessons. Now comes the fun part, selecting the plants. Choose a mix of fruits, vegetables, and flowers that are suitable for your climate and easy for beginners to grow. Finally, set up a maintenance plan to ensure your garden stays healthy and vibrant. This could involve a rotating schedule of watering, weeding, and harvesting. And voila! With these steps, you're on your way to having a flourishing school garden. Let's recap the journey to a thriving school garden. We've explored the incredible potential of a school garden and walked through the crucial steps to get started. From identifying an ideal spot, to securing support, designing the garden, preparing the soil, choosing the right plants, and finally nurturing them into full bloom. Now it's time for you to take action. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.